Now we will discuss meat, and there are several modules regarding meat, but we'll discuss the introduction first. If you look at the definition of meat, it is basically the flesh of animal that is used as food. As we know that it is a very good source of different amino acids, essential and non-essential amino acids, and some of the minerals and vitamins as well. Although the major importance of meat is due to its protein content rather than vitamins and minerals, but still vitamins and minerals do play a very important role in the nutrition. And in a well-balanced diet, we don't consume meat primarily because of these minerals and vitamin contents. Meat from the animal sources does have high biological value as compared to the proteins from vegetable sources. It is more bioavailable. It has got an ideal composition as well when it comes to the provision of essential amino acids. And the nutrients of different nutrients present in the meat would depend upon, again, this type of animal, the species of the animal, breed of the animal, and the cut or the source from where this meat is coming from. So these are all the variable factors that would determine the quality of meat. If we talk about, in general, the ratio of protein in meat is from 16 to 23%, again depending upon the source, species, and the cut of animal. If you talk about the fat is 10 to 40% of meat. And if we don't discard the liquid component of cooking meat, that would retain the minerals and vitamins present. But if this water is discarded after cooking meat, that would mean we would be losing some of the minerals and vitamins as well. Meat is a very good source of B complex vitamins and some of the vitamin A as well. Again, it would depend if the type of cut. If you have got more fatty contents, that would mean more vitamin A contents available in the meat. It's also a good source of phosphorus, iron, and some trace elements. There are different meats available in the market, for example lamb and mutton. If we talk about lamb, this is basically meat from sheep under the 12 months of age. It would be called as lamb. When the age of sheep is above 12 months, the meat coming from this animal would be classified as mutton. Again, from beef animals or larger animals, again we have this classification of veal, which is meat from cattle from 3 to 14 months, and from 14 onward up till 52 months, the meat that is obtained from such animals is called as calf. And after this age, after 1 year, normally the meat obtained from animal of more than 1 year age is classified as beef. As the meat is really important, but we do consume the other organs from the meat as well. For example, liver, kidney, tongue, and brain. These are less costlier than the meat component, but they do have important nutritional values as well. For example, liver is a very good source of iron as well as vitamin A, and there could be some other things that we need to consider, like brain could have high cholesterol content as well. So we do get a lot of nutrition from other organs as well, other than the amount of the muscle protein. This was all about the meat, its composition, its importance, and the types of meat which is available in the market and consumed by the consumer.